Have you ever felt that constant pull toward your phone, even when there's nothing new to see? Or maybe you tell yourself, just one more video, one more scroll, and suddenly an hour's gone. It's the same loop that keeps some people reaching for another drink, another pill, another late-night search they promised themselves they'd stop. Different addictions. One chemical culprit, dopamine, the molecule that once helped us survive, has now become the very thing that's quietly destroying peace of mind. Hello, I'm Dr. Syeda Quadri, a U.S. board-certified psychiatrist. I've been working in the field of mental health for 15 years. Today, we're not just talking about addiction in the traditional sense. We're talking about a modern epidemic, the dopamine hijack, from smartphones to substances, from social media highs to private shame and pornography. Millions of Americans are trapped in invisible cycles that start the same way. A tiny hit of pleasure, followed by a crash of emptiness. This isn't about willpower, it's about biology and how you can take that biology back. 1. The science behind the trap. Dopamine is the chemical that fuels motivation and reward. It tells your brain, this feels good, do it again. The problem? Our modern world gives endless artificial ways to trigger it. Every notification, every like, every puff, every explicit image, all of them spike dopamine far higher than nature ever intended. Your brain can't tell the difference between cocaine, porn, and an Instagram reel. It just knows this feels intense. And the more you chase that feeling, the duller everything else becomes. You stop finding joy in simple things, reading, talking, walking, or even resting. That's dopamine desensitization, the invisible rewiring happening inside millions of minds every day. 2. The 3 modern faces of addiction. First, mobile and digital addiction. The average American checks their phone 352 times a day. The endless scroll uses casino-style algorithms to keep your brain craving unpredictable rewards. Each swipe is a bet for dopamine, and the house always wins. Second, substance addiction. Drugs and alcohol flood dopamine at levels 5 to 10 times higher than natural rewards. Over time, your brain's receptors shut down, making it impossible to feel normal without the substance. You don't drink to get high anymore. You drink just to feel okay. Third, pornography addiction. Porn delivers super stimuli, novelty, intensity, and endless choice. It floods the reward system, training the brain to seek constant peaks of pleasure without emotional connection. Relationships suffer, motivation dies, real intimacy fades. 3 addictions, 1 mechanism. Each one numbs the brain's natural ability to feel joy. 3. The mental health fallout. Behind every addiction lies a deeper pain: anxiety, loneliness, boredom, or trauma. When dopamine surges crash, the brain swings into chemical withdrawal, irritability, sadness, fatigue, brain fog, and guilt. Long-term, dopamine imbalance contributes to depression and anxiety disorders. You begin to lose not just control, but meaning. The irony? What starts as escape from pain ends up creating more of it. 4. The rewiring process. The good news, the brain can heal. Neuroplasticity means new habits can literally rewire the reward system. Here's the step-by-step blueprint. Step 1. The dopamine detox. Go 24 hours without your major trigger. No scrolling, no porn, no substances. It'll feel awful at first. That's withdrawal. But the silence that follows is your brain recalibrating. Step 2. Replace. You can't erase dopamine, you must redirect it. Replace artificial highs with real ones. Exercise, deep conversations, nature walks, creative work. These release dopamine in smaller, sustainable doses that rebuild sensitivity. Step 3. Build friction. Make bad habits harder to access. Delete the app, move the bottle, install filters. Friction buys you time to choose consciously. Step 4. Reconnect with the body. Sleep, sunlight, hydration, and nutrition balance dopamine naturally. Move your body daily. Sweat is medicine. 5. The healing experience. 2 weeks into a dopamine reset, something beautiful happens. Colors feel brighter, thoughts clearer, laughter deeper. You rediscover the joy of enough. You don't crave constant stimulation, you crave peace. That's not weakness, it's recovery. As your brain rebuilds sensitivity, real pleasure returns. You start living instead of escaping. 6. The numbers that matter. According to the National Institute on Drug Abuse, more than 21 million Americans battle substance addiction. Over 70% of teens report daily digital overuse, and pornography sites attract more traffic than Netflix, Twitter, and Amazon combined. This isn't a moral crisis, it's a mental health one. And it starts not with quitting cold turkey, but with understanding how your brain works. So here's your challenge. For the next 7 days, pick one habit that hijacks your dopamine and step back from it. Write down how your mood changes, how your focus shifts. You'll feel restless at first, but then clarity comes. When dopamine stabilizes, anxiety fades, confidence rises, and motivation returns. Remember, your brain is designed to heal, but healing begins the moment you stop chasing fake rewards and start rebuilding real ones. You are not broken, you are simply wired for a world that learned how to push your buttons. But now you know where the switch is. The same brain that got hijacked can be reset with awareness, discipline, and compassion. So unplug, breathe, step into silence. Let your brain remember what peace feels like, because the true high isn't found in a screen or a substance. It's found in being fully alive. Rewire, reset, reclaim your mind. Start your dopamine detox today. Your future self will thank you.